Hey everyone and welcome. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most talked about topics today. It's in our phones, our cars, and even the shows we watch. But what is AI really? Is it robots taking over, or something far more practical? In the next 5 minutes, we're going to break down the complex world of AI into simple terms, so you can truly understand this technology that's shaping our future. Let's dive in. 1. The core idea. Machines that think, sort of. At its heart, artificial intelligence is about giving machines the ability to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. Think of it as teaching a computer to mimic human cognitive abilities. What kind of abilities? Things like learning, adapting to new information, reasoning, solving problems and making decisions, problem solving, figuring out how to achieve a goal, understanding language, processing what we say or write, perceiving, seeing and interpreting images or sounds. The key secret here: AI doesn't think like you or me. It doesn't have consciousness or feelings. Instead, it's incredibly good at finding patterns in vast amounts of data. It operates on probabilities and complex calculations, giving the appearance of intelligence. 2. How AI learns. The power of data. So how does AI get smart? The magic mostly happens through something called machine learning. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them many pictures of cats, dogs, birds, and they learn what features make a cat. Machine learning works similarly, but with millions, even billions of examples. You feed the AI massive amounts of data, pictures, text, sounds, numbers. The AI looks for patterns. It finds correlations and rules within that data. It learns from its mistakes. When it gets something wrong, it adjusts its internal rules to improve. A powerful subset of this is deep learning, which uses complex networks inspired by the human brain called neural networks. These are particularly good at recognizing intricate patterns in things like images, identifying faces, and speech, understanding your voice commands. This process allows AI to learn incredibly fast in specific domains, mastering complex tasks in days that would take humans years. 3. What AI can do. Real-world examples. AI is already woven into our daily lives. Let's look at some examples. Understanding you. When you talk to your voice assistant, like Siri or Alexa, AI is using natural language processing to understand your commands and generate a response. Personalizing your experience. The recommendation systems on streaming services or online shopping sites use AI to analyze your past behavior and suggest things you might like. Seeing the world. Self-driving cars use AI to see traffic, pedestrians and obstacles, making real-time decisions about navigation and safety. Creating new things. Generative AI can now write compelling stories, compose music, or create stunning images from simple text prompts. It's making entirely new content from scratch. Solving complex problems. In fields like medicine, AI analyzes vast amounts of data to help diagnose diseases or discover new drugs, often faster than human researchers. It's important to remember that most of this AI is specialized. It's brilliant at one task, but can't do others. Your voice assistant can't drive a car, and a self-driving car can't write a novel. 4. The impact and the future. So AI isn't just about robots from movies. It's a powerful set of tools designed to augment human abilities, make processes more efficient, and unlock new possibilities. It's revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to entertainment, and changing how we interact with technology. Understanding AI means understanding its immense potential, its current limitations, and the ethical questions it raises. It's a technology built on patterns, data, and learning, and it's only just getting started. Outro. And that's AI in 5 minutes. Hopefully this has demystified some of the complexities around this incredible technology. What part of AI fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of tech. Thanks for watching.